Everyone, welcome to Mobilemaths with Kamchrai. Today I want us to look at expansion of brackets or removing of brackets. Okay, so I've got a couple of questions that I want us to do. So the first one is we've got P plus Q in bracket, R plus S in bracket. So when we want to expand, what we do, we take the first P there and multiply everything that is in the second bracket. Let's do that. So I'll have P multiplying R plus S. Okay, then we take the second plus Q with its sign there, multiplying everything in the second bracket. So I'll have plus Q multiplying R plus S, like that. Okay, now when we are at this point, we can now expand. P multiplies R. What do we get? We get PR. Then P times S, we get plus PS. Then when we do the last one, we are now on Q. So we say Q times R, there we get plus QR. Then Q plus times plus S, there we get QS. Okay, like that. So we have this as our final answer. We have expanded the bracket. Let's look at another question. Okay, here we do the same. 6 multiplies everything in the second bracket. Okay, so I'll have 6 by 5 plus X. Then plus Y multiplies everything there. On the second bracket, I'll have plus Y multiplying 5 plus X. Okay, let's expand. 6 times 5, we get 30. Plus 6 times X, we get 6X. Plus Y times 5, we get 5Y. Plus Y times X, we get plus XY. Like that. So we don't have common terms there, so this becomes the final answer. Let's look at another question. Okay, here we have got we are going to multiply A with this bracket and minus B with that bracket again. So I'll have A multiplying 6C minus D, and have minus B multiplying C minus D. Okay, like that. Let's expand. I'll have A times C, I get AC. A times D, we get minus D, minus AD there. Then minus B times C, we get minus BC. Minus B here, please take note, I've got minus B times minus D, we get plus BD. Okay, we get plus BD there. Okay, like that. Now we have this. This becomes our final solution. We cannot over expand this. Let's look at another question. Okay, we are doing the same. This one, the first letter multiplies everything on the second bracket and so on. So I have 2x multiplying 3x minus 1. Then plus 1 multiplying 3x minus 1, like that. Okay, so let's do that. When I have that, I will have 2x times 3x, we get 6x squared. Okay, then 2x, please take note of this, 2x times minus 1 there, I'll get it the same as plus 2 times minus 1, I'll get minus 2x. Okay, like that. Let's go to the next one. I now have here is 1 here. I had left it out, but it's there. So I've got 1 times 3x there. I've got plus 3x. 1 times minus. So I have on the second one, I have plus 1 times minus 1. There we get minus 1. Okay, like that. Now we cannot end there. Why? Because we've got similar terms, x and x there. So I have to add those ones together. So I have 6x squared minus 2x plus 3x. What do we get? We get plus x or plus 1x. It's one and the same thing. So I'll have plus x, then minus 1 there. So this becomes the final thing there. Let's look at another question. Okay, here we are doing the same. I'll have 2n multiplying the second bracket, 2n plus 5. Then I have my plus 3 there. Then it's multiplying again the second bracket, 2n plus 5. Okay, like that. Let's do it. 2n times 2n, we get 4n squared. Okay, 2n times 5, we get plus 10n. Then plus 3 times 2n there, we get plus 6n. Then plus, on the last part here, plus 3 times plus 5 there, what do we get? We get plus 15. Okay, like that. Now we have got common terms n there and there. Let's add them together and see what do we get. Okay, so I have 4n squared plus 10n plus 6n, we get plus 16n, then plus 15. Okay, so this is the final answer. We've expanded there. Let's look at another example, the last one. I've got 4n, so I'm going to take 4m multiplying 2m minus 3, and I've got minus 9 there, multiplying the second bracket, 2m minus 3. Okay, like that. Let's break the brackets. 4m times 2m, we get 8m squared. 4m minus times minus 3, we get minus 12m. Minus 9 times 2m, we get minus 18m. Then the last one is minus 9 times minus 3 there. We get plus 27 there. Okay, like that. Now we have got similar terms, m here, m there. Let's add them together. We have 8m squared minus 12m minus 18m. What do we get? We get 30 minus 30m. Okay, then we have got our plus 27. So this is our final answer, like that. Okay guys, bye bye.